If you need to crop a photo to 4:6 in Lightroom Desktop, this quick tutorial will show you the simplest way to do it in just a few steps. And if this helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Lightroom tutorials. First, open Lightroom Desktop and select the photo you want to edit. Once your image is open, look to the right side panel and click the Crop tool. This will open the cropping controls and give you access to the aspect ratio settings. Now, click on Aspect Ratio. Here is the important part. Lightroom may show 4:6 or it may show 2:3 because those ratios are the same. So if you do not see 4:6 listed exactly, choose 2:3 instead. That will give you the same crop shape for printing or sharing in a 4:6 format. After selecting the ratio, you can adjust the crop by dragging the corners until the frame fits your image the way you want. You can also click and move the photo inside the crop box to reposition it without changing the ratio. Take a moment to line up your subject, keep the composition balanced, and make sure nothing important gets cut off. If you want the image to look more centered, you can also slightly rotate or fine-tune the crop before applying it. Once everything looks right, press Enter on your keyboard to apply the crop. And that's it. Your photo is now set to a 4:6 ratio in Lightroom. It is a fast and easy way to prepare images for printing, framing, or posting with the right dimensions. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next Lightroom tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.